Hello guys, welcome to my channel that is BI Tech. So guys, I am here with a new video for you. In this video, I will tell you, what what's the difference between all and all selected functions in DAX. So moving towards the topic, what is all and how we can use all function. We will use all function when we want to see total sales or amount by all products items by all products item then we can use in our dashboards. Okay, and number two is all selected. So how we can use all selected function in our DAX or reports. So we will use all selected function if we want to see sales. If we want to see sales by some selected products, then we can use all selected in our scenarios or our in our scenarios or our dashboard or reports. Okay, for example, we have multiple products like paper, plastic, rubber, steel, wood, etc. So if we want to see a total sales amount of all products, then we will use all. Or if we want to see some selected product sales, some selected product sales, so we will use all selected. Now I show you difference in both of them by practically. Okay, uh, so first I can create total amount uh, with using the price column. Okay, measure total amount, giving me put total amount, sorry, calculation price. Okay, this measure has been created. Okay, first I have to maximize its font size for you. Okay, this is this is my sample products: paper, plastic, rubber, steel, wood. Now I need to create another measure with using all function. Okay, so how we can create. So I'm giving a name all amount. Okay, so calculate and put calculate and put this measure here, total amount and comma. Then now select all. Now I have to provide table name. So my sample table product name is table name is product. So select product and then okay. See, all amount measure also has also been created. See, there is no reflection by products. See, paper total amount 600, but here on here is showing total sales amount. Okay, so this is the major difference between all and all selected amount. All and all selected. Now I am going to create another measure with using all selected. All good amount calculate put put total amount in the expression. Total select total amount. Now selected, all selected. Now I need to select all selected function here and provide table name, that is product. Okay, so my another image has been also created and pick and drag and drop here. Okay, see, there is no reflection because still I have still still I do not select any product, right? So I need to select any product, then it will reflect here. Okay, so see my products column is this product type, and change this visualization to drop down. Okay, see, if I select plastic, see, here is only showing plastic sales amount. Okay, if I select plastic, rubber, and steel also, see only plastic, rubber, and steel sales amount. But here, plastic, rubber, steel showing the same total sales amount. This is the major big difference between all and all selected function. So I hope you guys you got my points and major difference between all and all selected. So if you like my video, so please like, comment, and share my video. And do one thing more, please subscribe my channel as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Allah Hafiz.